Good afternoon. Happy Friday. Here's your weekly mortgage rate update. Let's see. Mortgage News Daily 30-year fixed average today is 6.9% APR. That is up from last Friday, which was at 6.68% APR. So what's going on in the markets? The bond market is starting to price in a possible Trump victory, which would ensue probably more inflation because of talking about tax cuts and economic stimulus. And so the markets, if that happens, right, the Fed will not cut and will be treading where we are more than likely for quite a bit of time. So just what the markets are anticipating. On the job front, initial jobless claims came in lower than anticipated, right? So that means that the labor market is stronger than expected, which doesn't help out interest rates either. I guess middle of the week, they were up slightly higher than they are today. I want to say slightly, 6.92% APR on the Mortgage News Daily. So there was some trend coming down, but we'll see what happens out of the whole situation. Next week we have quite a bit of information as far as labor market data, and so we'll see what happens with all that information. So Feds don't meet until after the election. All right, the election's on November 5th. People are just waiting. So as we know, this is not uncommon in an election year, and especially when we get this close to the election for the president, right? People don't understand. They don't know what's going on. So therefore, they err on the side of caution, and rates go up. Let's see, what else do I have for you today? Here is a title hack, deed work hack for your clients. If you have a client that purchases a home or is refinancing, or doesn't even have to, you can just let them know anytime. But if they are with law enforcement, right, and they are concerned about their name being out there on the deed, you can have the client, they have to do it. Title company can't do it. You can't do it. Lender can't do it, right? The client has to call the county and let them know that they are part of law enforcement, and they will redact some, I guess redact's probably a bad word. They will make it so their name can't be seen on some of the documents out there in the public. Right, so like deed of trust or anything, when you search cadastral, their name will be hidden. And it doesn't do it for all documents, but they can do it for some. If the county does not help, they are instructed to call the Department of Revenue and let them know that they are part of law enforcement and they do not want their information shared where their home is and stuff like that. So then if that doesn't work and then not all the documents are done, it's been recommended to move the property into a trust or LLC with a different family name or a different business name if it's an LLC. So that way they are harder to find on searches for properties if, unfortunately, they make somebody mad and someone is trying to find them. So anyway, a little help there for the people that protect us, try to protect them for what they do. So anyway, have a great weekend. Fall's still here. Looking for some snow, dwindling there in the back on the bridgers. Boo. Anyway, have a great weekend. I'm around if I can help with any questions. You know that. I'm here for you. Talk to you soon.